anti-corruption operation, sleuths of the Warangal Range Anti-Corruption Bureau on Friday trapped Hanamkonda Additional Collector A. Venkat Reddy while he was allegedly accepting a bribe of 60,000 rupees. Venkat Reddy, who is also serving as a district education officer, was caught along with 2 junior assistants from the education department identified as Ghaus and Manoj. According to the Warangal Range ACB Deputy Superintendent of Police P. Sambhaya, the additional collector had allegedly demanded a bribe of 1 lakh rupees from a complainant for granting permission to a private school. The accused reportedly accepted 60,000 rupees as part payment through the 2 junior assistants. Unwilling to pay the bribe, the complainant approached the Anti-Corruption Bureau, following which officials laid a trap and caught the accused red-handed while accepting the amount. ACB officials confirmed that the bribe money was recovered from Venkat Reddy and the 2 junior assistants. A case has been registered against all 3 and they were taken into custody for further investigation. Further legal action will be taken based on the outcome of the investigation, ACB officials said.